All right, so today out here, pardon the wind, I don't have a microphone on. We got this special assignment here. I think we're doing our patriotic duty here today. I got a friend of mine out here, and we had this idea. So he had this thing that he needed some steel for. I said, well, no problem, I'll cut some up. So I'll show you guys what we're up to. There we go. So we found this plate steel here. Rumor is it's not just regular steel. This may be AR 500 steel. And we found some of those here. So this is like a kid size, like 8x10. I'll show you that too. It's pretty interesting. And apparently they sell them empty, but you can't buy 8x10 anywhere. Well, I mean you can, but they cost a fortune. So now we're gonna do this all from scrap. And then here, show us the thing that you got. Where is it? So we measured this guy out. This supposedly holds 10 by 13. And then on the front side, you kind of want to lop the corners a little bit like this. The back side gets a full sheet. So we have a front and a back for him. 1, 2, 3 big ones spare, and then these here is a front and a rear for the kids. So let's do some plasma cutting. So this is Raptor liner. I'm using this here as a anti-spall coating. I'm putting about 6 or 7 layers on the front, 1 or 2 on the back, and this way I'm sealing and protecting those plates from rusting as well. if you wonder how the finished product looks like, this is just 2 coats of black paint back here. And then there's these 6 or 7 coats of Raptor liner. Today, months later, it's pretty hard. You barely see any indentations with the fingernail. It'll work great as anti-spall coating. And now we're gonna see how this compares to the real deal. So here, it's the perfect one for a little guy. Turn around. Fits in the front, fits in the back. Absolutely awesome.